man, I didn't even see you. Welcome peeps, it's currently Thursday, June 4, 2026, 12:32 p.m. And today I wanted to actually do some market research on a potential new product that I'll be bringing to my fruit side hustle. I mean, it's nothing unique, it's nothing new. People all over the world has already done it. It's simply fruit bowls or fruit cups. But I just wanted to get an idea of what sizes, the different styles of cups or bowls that are available. And I would want to choose the one that would be more feasible to me in terms of size and quantity. And the one that I feel like could actually give me, the most return on my investment and at the same time satisfying the potential customers. I already have connections with individuals that I sell whole fruits to different stores and locations. I want to increase the amount of stores and locations that I deliver to. Actually, I also want to come out of a specific niche that I currently am, which is mainly schools. I want to get out of the seasonal locations alone and become a more generalized year-round registered company and stop treating it like a side hustle. That's my main target for now. But to increase revenue, I know that making these fruit bowls or these fruit cups would be quite advantageous to making the business or the side hustle more profitable. I know that it will take more time out of me to cut up the fruits and do what is needed to package and all of that, but I'm willing to put in the work, and I know that this could be something to propel me further. I'm already aware of the different types of fruits. I already have connections to where I could source them. I know the pricing for all of them, so it just makes sense to eventually segue into something than merely whole fruits. You know what I mean? So we're going to not just go online and do some research on there to see what's available to us, to the type of containers that we can purchase, but I also want to go to some supermarkets, some wholesales, and get an idea of the pricing and again the style and the shape and all of that. So yeah, just come along for the journey. We're here again, obviously I'm undercover trying to build multiple businesses, multiple brands, not all at once, but eventually to have more of a diversified portfolio of merely just fruits and the vending machine and Uber and all that. I want to segue, or I want to diversify my portfolio in the different things I carry. But for now we're focusing on fruits for today, so no Uber, no vending machine. Just come along if you want and see where the day leads us. I say a 12-ounce smoothie cup. I see the crab containers here, but them are kind of big still. Them are 6-inch clamshell, but them are like well big. I'm glad them would take a lot of fruits to fill it up. But at the same time, I could switch it up a little to make it unique, like the container or the presentation. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Make it look a bit different. But them clamshell are well big, and I don't see what else I would put fruits in. It's just one little aisle inside the general food. If I use the cups, I'd have to get the fork. That would be $81.25 for a pack of 25. Yeah, $600, $56.36, $424. So this is the lid. I'm going to show you. And then the clamshell is $717.41, 5 inches for 20 by 25. I mean, so far these are the options in terms of the forks, the cups. I don't see any clamshells or any cups that I could put like a cover on top. So these seem quite generic. So I'm not really seeing more up used from this aisle alone. But yeah, that one I kind of boring, to be honest. Yeah, so I'm gonna look around the place still and see if there are any more aisles that would cater to me. So I'm gonna show it to you later. Yeah, so a while ago I saw me coming out of John Wang supermarket, and when I was recording like the pan of just the front of the supermarket to get like B-roll, some lady come up to me, boy, she ever see her face in some video, she go sue me. Bro, first of all, my face DV my videos. Why would I want to put nobody else's face in any video? And second of all, Mama, I didn't even see you. Alright, so I'm getting the idea that most of the supermarkets carry the same thing. So I'm probably just wasting my time coming to the different places. Kind of generic, kind of similar. Same cups. So far, General Foods have the best carrying so far. But yeah. So I guess the next step is to look online and go from there.